How you doing? Stewart at Cheshire Farm Machinery. I'm just going to do a quick walk around our Sunward SWE08B. This is our go-to micro digger at just shy of a tonne. Comes with a 3-bucket option. It's also got the manual quick hitch. This machine always comes with a 3rd service as well and an LED work light. We've got the fold down ROPs to get through the doorways, and as you can see it's also got the extendable tracks, so it'll go for any house for the doorways or down to the back gardens. With the extendable tracks we also put on the extensions for the front blade. The beauty of one of these micro diggers is that your joysticks are attached to your seat, not in front of you on the console. All available with up to 5 years warranty. Give us a call 01925 7300 75.